What's going on this week in Nerf?
Hello and welcome to This Week in Nerf, your source for first-party, third-party, and community Nerf news. We were supposed to be doing the show for 2 months, but welcome to Season 4. We've got a lot of leaks for you this episode, but first, other things. First up, we've got a new color scheme for the Ultra 1. The Screamer version comes in blue and white, much like the Scream Machine Ultra 2 that was released in spring 2021, and includes 5 ultrasonic Screamer darts. While the Scream Machine was released in the US, the Screamer 1 has so far only been seen in the UK and in French toy magazine Pickwick Toys. You can get it from Pickwick for €35, which translates to about $60 if it ever makes it across the Atlantic. Dart Zone magazines are now available on Amazon. These mags, which are the same as the DZP Mark IIIs, come in both short dart and long dart flavors in packs of 3. Either pack can be had for $45, which boils down to about $15 per mag. It's a bit on the expensive side, especially compared to Talons, but if you've been trapped on a desert island since 2017 and all your blasters only take katana mags or something, I guess this is an option for you. The Elite 2.0 Eaglepoint appears to be trickling into online storefronts and store shelves. YouTube user Dan Crusher got one early and uploaded a review of the blaster last week. He notes it's quite comfortable even for a tall adult, and it hits a chrono average of about 72 FPS, which is surprising for a stock Elite blaster. We don't know when it'll be widely available, but when it is, it'll cost $28. Out of Darts has a funky new offering available, a wrist brace thing with a spring-loaded Picatinny rail attachment. Called the SAM, or sliding arm mount, the gauntlet allows the user to mount and fire a blaster from their wrist, either via gravity or with a finger ring, Assassin's Creed style. The store page notes that the SAM works great with Out of Darts' Proud Papa blaster, giving you a backup shot without having to draw a sidearm or bulk up your primary with a master key. And it seems like it could be tons of fun. The SAM costs between $21 and $33, depending on if it's purchased with or without the forearm straps. Are you tired of your old, worn-out Game Boy? Do you wish you could fire darts instead of playing video games? Well, look no further. Bobo Innovations' Lame Boy is just what you need. Essentially, the Lame Boy is a double-barrel 3D printed Springer. To use it, just load a cartridge up with 2 half darts, put it in the blaster, pull the priming handle in the bottom, and press the D-pad to fire the left barrel and the A button for the right. And the screen even flips up to give you a little Mario sight. The blaster is almost totally 3D printed with minimal hardware required. And the designer also offers some free files for 3D printed targets available on Thingiverse. And the files for the Lame Boy itself cost about $20 on Bobo Innovations' Etsy page. It looks hilarious. And now, it's time for those leaks I teased earlier. We've got a whole bunch of leaks for you all this episode, so let's ease into it with some news on the newest Nerf Rival sub-series. Last episode, we talked about the 3 new Rival blasters, the Fate, Vision, and Pathfinder. Each has been spotted on store shelves in Taiwan, and Nerf Taiwan has published a video of the Vision and the Pathfinder already. The Vision is a pullback pistol with an 8-round internal magazine, which loads from the side, kind of like the Rival finisher. It comes with 8 of the new Accu rounds, which Nerf claims to be the most accurate Rival ammo out there, with a grouping on the back of the box to back them up. The blaster's rear sight can also be adjusted side to side for even further accuracy, which is a pretty cool feature. The Pathfinder features the same Accu rounds and adjustable sights, but this time in a pump-action, mag-fed primary. Nerf Taiwan's chrono testing put it at just above 90 FPS. And finally, the Fate is the last blaster in this series. It's a single-shot breech-loading pistol, sort of like a Knockout, but unlike the Knockout, it primes from the rear instead of the grip, and the breech slides open automatically upon pulling back the priming handle. Nerf Taiwan also tested out the new Accu rounds. They've got wider and deeper dimples than the standard Rival, which should help them fly further and more stably, especially outdoors. They also have a shiny coating of some kind, but we can't say just yet how the new rounds compare to the old ones, as Nerf Taiwan did not do a side-by-side comparison. FoamBlast Discord user ChickenMaster99 also discovered some internal target listings for each of these blasters, which implies that they will not be exclusive to Walmart in the US. Some speculated that they might be, as the initial leaks were from Walmart.com. But the Fate, Vision, and Pathfinder will be available soon for $12.59, $20.99, and $31.49, respectively. And that's not all for the leaks department today. Chicken Master also found a bunch of target listings for some more unreleased blasters. First up, the LOB Angel, LOB Scorpion, and LOB Cobra. According to leaker extraordinaire Utter Travesty, LOB is the codename for Roblox blasters, which appears to be consistent here. The Scorpion and the Cobra have no images, but the Angel does. Based on the Deathbringer from Murder Mystery 2, it seems to be a top prime pistol of some kind, though of course we have no idea how it actually works just yet. The leaked listings put the Angel at $20.99 and the Scorpion and Cobra at $26.49 and $41.99 respectively, though these prices are as uncertain as the blaster's release dates. Chicken Master also discovered several more listings, one for the Fortnite Compact SMG, one for the Sox Saberhagen, and one for the NE Buccaneer Jr. We first saw the Compact SMG in an August leak from Singaporean nerfer Shihong, but nothing since then. This new leak puts it at $36.99, but still no confirmed release date. The Sox Saberhagen and Buccaneer are more mysterious. Neither of those come with images, just price points and their code names. We're pretty sure that the Saberhagen is a Minecraft blaster, given that the other Minecraft leaks we've seen so far all use Sox in their code name. But other than that, we just know it'll cost around $41.99. The Buccaneer is interesting because, at least according to Utter Travesty, its codename is similar to the one used by the general release of the Orange Mando blaster. So at a price point of $52.99, this could be a standard shelf relief version of the limited Aliens Pulse Rifle or maybe even the Halo Needler, but that's just speculation. And Chicken Master finished off with a victory lap and 2 listings for new Dart Zone blasters. The first is the Vulcanator, which could be literally anything. My money's on some kind of heavy gunner belt-fed thing, given a name like Vulcanator, but that's taking a shot in the dark. It'll be $29.99. Next, and more interestingly, is a listing for the Dart Zone Max Tomcat. At $59.99, it's the most expensive Max blaster to hit the store shelves, but it could also be any number of things. I'm tempted to play it safe and say it could probably be a store release of the DZP Mark III, but it may be some kind of Aeon or Conquest kind of thing, or maybe something totally... Well, there's no way to know. We can't know this yet. Tomcat's a neat name, though. And now it's time for the mod of the week, and this week it comes from Scrivmal5 with this beautiful mag-fed flywheel Fortnite TS. Internally, this blaster has been completely overhauled. It's got a 3D printed dual stage flywheel cage and full auto pusher, along with what appear to be custom machined flywheels. A Centurion magwell lets it feed from standard Mega Mags, and a Mastodon muzzle caps off the front. It runs on either a 2 or 3S LiPo, getting upwards of 110 FPS on Kraken motors. This TS has some subtle but really clean bodywork put into it. Painted over with some lovely cherry red gloss, and a button in the stock will activate a strip of LEDs that make the cutouts above the barrel glow red. And then you top that all off with a mini faux red dot sight, and you've got a full auto shield busting monster. This thing is super cool. Thanks for sharing it. And that is all the news I have for this week. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around to Season 4. My goodness, we did not expect to go this long, but apparently it's still happening, so hit the subscribe button down there to see all of our future videos, and the like, and I said it in a different order this time, so my brain isn't processing what all the YouTube things are, but you've probably been here long enough that you know what they are, so I don't have to say it. So there. Blech. Bye everybody, everything you need is in the description. I'll see you 2 weeks from now, Monday, 9 a.m. Pacific. Woo! And before I forget, thank you everyone for donating to the Joy of Socks charity drive. They raised $1,426, and that is super awesome. Thank you. Y'all are amazing.